Hello guys, my name is Roberto Cadilha. Today I'm bringing to you some breath work slash stretch. You can do in the morning or you can do at night or even during the afternoon. It's gonna help you with more blood flow. You're gonna be able to move better during the day and also more oxygen to your cells, to your brain. So you're gonna be able to think more straight. Okay, so let's get started. It's very easy, very quick. We're gonna start with some deep breath, and I'm gonna guide you through the process. Let's go. We're gonna start with 10 very deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Make sure to make your lungs very full of air and empty all the way out. Now we're gonna get to the butterfly position. You're gonna slightly push your legs down using your elbows, and you're gonna go for about 5 breaths. It doesn't have to go so deep this time. Make sure to put a good pressure on your legs. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels more natural, better for you. Changing position now, we're gonna stretch only one leg. I'm gonna start with my right. You're gonna try to reach your toes. It's okay if you cannot touch your toes, you can touch your chin. And let's hold for 10 seconds. Don't hold your breath, keep your body relaxed. And let's change the other leg. Hold about 10 seconds. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings, that stretch in your lower back. Try to connect with your body. Changing position again, you're gonna stretch your both legs. Take a deep breath and try to reach your toes. Let's hold for another 10 seconds. Like I said before, if you cannot touch your toes, you can just touch your chin. This deep breath before reach your toes helps you to go further. Now you're gonna lay down, lift your hips, and hold on that position, squeezing your glutes for another 10 seconds. Let's keep a natural breathing for this part of the exercise. Next step, we're gonna go and roll your legs all the way back. Keep your arms straight. Hold on this position for 10 seconds. Slowly come back down. Now you're gonna lift one of your legs and try to reach close to your toes and hold for another 10 seconds. Let's switch legs and do the same with the left one. Hold for 10 seconds. Nicely done. Now you're gonna rotate your body to the left and look to the right. Give that nice stretch to your hips. Hold for another 10 seconds. Let's switch sides. Now you're gonna roll to your left, look to your right, and hold for another 10 seconds. Good job, good job. Let's go for doggy position. We're gonna take another 10 deep breath now. When you inhale, you're gonna raise your back. When you exhale, you're gonna put all the air out and put your butt out. go for 10 reps. I want you to go for a very deep breath right now. Feel that stretch. Now you're gonna bring your hips lower on that cobra position. You can put your head up, hold for 10 seconds. Nice breathing. Let's stretch that lower back and your abs. Nice, good job. Now we're gonna stretch some of our quads. You're gonna be on your knees, sitting on your heels, and you're gonna lift your hips as much as you can so you can stretch more quads. Let's hold for another 10 seconds. Well done, well done. Let's slowly stand up. Now just bend over. Just relax. It doesn't have to be fully stretch your legs. Just let your lower body and upper body feel the stretch. Hang in there for 10 seconds. Time to lay down again. You're gonna grab your right leg and hold for 10 seconds. Switch legs, grab your left leg and hold for another 10 seconds. Nice. Now stretch your legs. We're gonna go for another 10 very deep breath. Make sure to bring all the air inside your lungs through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Great work. Now just let's hang here for another minute. Just calm down your mind. Just be conscious about your body or your existence. And relax. Okay, great job. Bring your arms up. Let's slowly sit it down before you standing up. Thank you for watching. I suggest you to do this routine at least 3 times a week to see benefits. Leave on the comments how you felt. Thank you so much.